Welcome back. The Usain Bolt nightclub saga is dominating the stratosphere globally at the moment. But over the summer in Jamaica, so too were many other topics. We go into a no-holds-barred panel discussion right now about some of the major developments of the summer 2016, including the Usain Bolt's viral night out in Rio. Joining us are sexologist Shelly-Ann, Talk Your Mind vlogger ChineyK's, and outspoken DJ Foota Hype. And he's more than that. All right. Shelly, good to have you back.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
You're working your way back to us, baby. You look like you're fixed at home, Shelly. All right, Chiney. So you're based in
the States, yes.
In the States, right? Mm-hmm. What state?
New Jersey, yeah.
New Jersey, right. And you're a Jamaican living over there.
Yes.
And you came, you covered a lot of events.
Tons of events.
Right, and for your vlog.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So start with you. Talk about Sumfest. Give me your quick summary on Sumfest. We can't spend much time on this, but quickly, Sumfest.
Sumfest was amazing. It was my very first time going there. I really enjoyed it. For some reason, I think I enjoyed Reggae Night more. Maybe because I got a little chance to go out in the front and check it out. But Reggae Night was my favorite. Luciano, Taurus Riley, they did an awesome job. But Sunfest was definitely the highlight of my summer.
Chiney's first
Dream Week, yeah.
And she's from the States, so let's hear from her.
Dream Weekend.
Were you in a pack of girls, by the way?
No, I kind of went solo dolo. I mean, I do kind of agree with not bringing sand to the beach, even though I didn't get any sand myself. I could have, and believe me, the thirst was extremely real. But you know what? They go from woman to woman. My girl, what's up? What's going on? And then when you don't get them to play, then go to the next. I was like, look, listen, you can get the next girl. I'm like, it's the first night. Yeah, I've like one heap of night for you. Get tons of girls. But besides that, Dream Weekend for me was totally awesome. I enjoyed it. If I wasn't working, I think I would enjoy it a little bit more. Next time, I'm definitely. Maybe. Of course, maybe, but definitely the next time I go, I really want to bring my girls and party a little bit more and enjoy the events and do the paint up something. And
so you're not going to bring the guy?
I don't think so, even though I would like a little sand, maybe at the end of like the night, but no.
Okay, you love it. You're in the U.S., you live in the U.S., Chiney. Is that the feeling you get from the hip-hop, R&B community?
Of course, definitely. You know, Labor Day weekend is coming up. You have Hot 97s on the reggae tip, the parade, and that's the only time they really push reggae and dancehall is to play it so that people will come out. They take from it, but they're not willing to pay for it and invest in our culture because they would support like the white artists that do have a little reggae beat. What do they call it? Tropical house or something like that, some BS like that. They would rather support that, but they don't want to invest in our culture and our music. Or even the DJs, at least play maybe like 5 new dancehall songs. Even if they're not catch at first, at least if they hear it, then they'll say, okay, and then it'll become as hot as the Heads High or like those songs from back in the day. But there's nobody once Labor Day is over, that's it.
Yes. Put a scamming sound out there.
Honestly,
love it.
Tell me about
this. It's a
song.
place, and honest to God, I go some party and them stick me up a plate. I can't play it.
I must agree. I do like the song, but when I listened to the words, I was like, oh my goodness. Even like the front seller part, I was like, oh dear. However, the song was a huge hit over Dream Weekend. It is a still a big hit, and it gets like a lot of money pull up. But like you said, everybody likes the song, but nobody wants to be scammed. You understand? So you listen to okay, it's cool and stuff like that, but it's no difference than listening to a rap song that has violence in it or a Jamaican song. It's all cool and get a nice vibe at a club, but realistically, nobody wants to be a part of that. And as Foota said, the scamming thing is serious, but I like the song.
Let's talk now about, you brought up the Usain Bolt situation.
Yeah, basically, you see people have double standards and I just can't understand it because Usain to me never come out and say, like a mother come and say, oh, China is my wife. They saw a picture of him and a girl and him say, oh, that's why she loved me, my abs and rare.
Chiney, your take on it?
My take on it, first of all, him put out the picture from Carnival and him say, first lady. Me and she are the first lady, but he never said only. But anyways, besides that,
right, this is where I want you to go now.
Okay, so fine, he said first lady, but not only.
In the face of his declaration that there's a first lady.
She's a girlfriend.
She's a girlfriend.
Yes.
My thing is, the fact that him go out and a dagger girl and something, that's not new because that's in our culture and everybody does it. So that's overlooked, that's fine. The fact my thing is, if he's gonna go out and sleep with another girl, if in fact that's how it go, I don't think no evidence should be there. Maybe she shouldn't take no picture. Maybe she want to actually claim, so she don't know who him be or she didn't know. But she shouldn't send around a picture. If you do your thing, you do it quiet. And then like
the girl who took the photo with?
Yeah, the one where I put him. She said she never know who. But I lie, she tell.
Anyway, let's jump into real right now. Chiney, were you as glued as everybody else?
Of course, I'm so happy that I'm actually in Jamaica for it. I did an episode about it. I have my Dutch pot, my flag, some of the TV, but I have a Dutch pot, flag, and everything. And I was glued to the TV. And I was even at an event at Hope Gardens. I went to the race ready for run. I find that there was actually a TV there. But you know, in Jamaica, there's a TV anyway. If you drive, you have to stop and watch it. And believe me, I was glued.